this keyword in Java refers to the current instance of a class. It is used to access the members of the class, such as variables or methods. When this is used within a method or constructor, it refers to the object that the method or constructor is being called upon. Using this can help differentiate between instance variables and local variables with the same name. It can also be used to invoke one constructor from another constructor in the same class. In this example, this keyword is used to refer to the current instance of the class. The constructor takes an argument, myVariable, and assigns it to the instance variable, myVariable, using this myVariable. The getMyVariable method returns the value of myVariable using return this myVariable. In constructors, this keyword is used to differentiate between instance variables and local variables. This is necessary because both can have the same name. By using this, we can refer to the instance variable instead of the local variable. Let's take an example. Suppose we have an instance variable called name and a constructor parameter also called name. To assign the value of the parameter to the instance variable, we can use this.name equals name. Here is an example of using this keyword in a constructor. We have a class called myClass with a private instance variable called name. In the constructor, we use this.name equals name to assign the value of the parameter name to the instance variable. This keyword allows for chaining method calls, making code more concise and readable. In this example, this keyword is used to chain method calls. The myClass class has a setValue method that sets the value field of the object and returns the object itself. Similarly, it has add and subtract methods that perform addition and subtraction on the value field and return the object. In the mon method, we create an object of myClass and use method chaining to set the value, add and subtract numbers, and get the final result. The result is then printed to the console. This keyword is used to refer to the current instance of a class. It can be used to access instance variables and methods within the class. In the code snippet, this keyword is used to access instance variables and methods within the class. It is used to differentiate between local variables and instance variables with the same name. It can also be used to call other methods within the class, indicating that the method is being called on the current instance. Additionally, this can be used inside a constructor to call another constructor of the same class, allowing for constructor chaining. This keyword refers to the current object and is used to access its instance variables and methods. It is especially useful when there are variables or parameters with the same name. It can also be used to invoke another constructor within the same class or to return the current object from a method. In this example, this keyword is used to differentiate between the instance variable, myVariable, and the parameter, myVariable, in the constructor. It assigns the value of the parameter to the instance variable. In the printVariable method, this keyword is used to access the instance variable and print its value.